Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Neha. So today we are going to practice one very simple asana called Vyagrasana, a tiger posture. This asana is extremely helpful for your spine. If you have a back pain, if you have a very tight spine, then this posture will help you. You can also add this in your general routine as a warm up for the spine. So let's get started. As I said, this posture is very simple and very easy, and anybody can practice it. So even if you are very new to yoga, you can just start practicing. For this you have to sit on your knee. In your knee, you have to keep your both the knees together. Okay, all right. So let me give you proper alignment. So keep your knee apart from each other first. Okay, it should be like one arm distance, one arm plus one palm. Alright, this is majorly for your hands to get a proper alignment. Okay, and then keep your knee together. So the alignment we started majorly to keep our both the wrist in a right posture. So your wrist and your shoulder should be in one straight line. Okay, and you both the knee together, and your knee and toes going to be in a straight line. Your spine is going to be in a straight line. From here you're going to keep your knee bent as it is. Okay, not straighten your knee, keep your knee bent. From here, toe pointing out, slowly start kicking your knee in a opposite direction. So from when you kick your knee out, you're going to take your spine in. So from here, inhale up, take your spine in, toe pointing out, and your knee is bent 90 degree, and you're going to kick your thigh, kick your leg out, you're going to kick your knee up. So you're going to move your neck up, and while you exhale, you're going to round your shoulder, you're going to get your knee towards your forehead. So inhale, push your knee out, and exhale forward. Inhale out. Now when you exhale, when you get forward, say for everybody you won't have that flexibility to get your knee forward, or it's not possible sometimes that you touch your knee to your forehead. So here you don't have to push your head down, keep your hands, try to keep your hands stable, and then just drop your neck down how much ever your neck is comfortable to go down by itself without you forcing it. So get your knee forward how much ever you can. So suppose your knee comes till here and your head goes till here, it is okay, because flexibility will come only when you practice every day. So for a lot of people, your posture would look like something this, up and forward, which is okay. If you can get it forward. Same thing goes the other side. So up and forward, round your shoulder, knee to forehead, up, forward, up, forward, and after this drop your chest down, child posture. So this posture, as I said, it's very simple. So practice. If you have any doubts, write it in the comment box below. We'll surely reply for that. Thank you so much. Keep practicing.